We are doing exercise 11.3 class 7th maths NCERT. This is question number 5. From a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet and take pi is equal to 3.14. So let us find out. Now here you can see figure I have made. Outer circle radius is 4 centimeter, inner circle radius is 3 centimeter. First of all, we will find the outer area. Outer area means outer circular area. Formula of area here pi r square because it is a circle. In place of pi we will write pi and radius is 4 centimeter, so 4 square. 4 4 is 16, so it is 16 pi. Now we will find inner area. Inner area, now this is also pi r square. Here the value of r is 3, so 3 square we will write and 3 3 is 9 pi. Now here remaining sheet or remaining area we will find after subtracting it. Now remaining area we will find. Now subtract 16 pi minus 9 pi. So answer is 7 pi. Now here we will find, now it is given that the value of pi is 3.14. Now here we will multiply it by 3.14. Now answer is 21.98 and unit will be centimeter square. So here we will write centimeter square also. This is question number 6 of the same exercise. Saima wants to put a lace on the edges of the circular table cover of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find the cost of the lace if the cost of 1 meter of the lace is rupees 15. So here we will find out the circumference, and then this circumference of the table is directly equal to the length of the lace required, and then we will multiply this by the cost, and then we will got the total cost of the lace. Now let us find out. Now here you know that length of lace is equal to the circumference of the table. So here we will write length of lace is equal to circumference of table. So here 2 pi r will be the formula. In place of pi it is written use 3.14 and value of r, diameter is 1.5, so value of r will be 1.5 upon 2. Now cut 2 by 2. Now 3.14 multiply by 1.5. It is 4.71 meter square. Now it is given 1 meter cost is rupees 15. So here we will find cost of lace. Now here we will multiply 4.71. It is not meter square. First of all, it will be only meter. So 4.71 multiply by 15. Now here we will multiply this by 15. So answer is 70.65. This is rupees 70.65. This is question number 7. Find the perimeter of the adjoining figure, which is a semicircle including its diameter. So you know that a semicircle is made up of half circle and then diameter. So formula here we will apply. First of all we will find the circumference. Here directly formula we will apply pi r plus 2r. So here you can see that this figure is a semicircle. So perimeter of semicircle formula is pi r plus 2r. Here you can see this 10 centimeter is the diameter. So first of all, radius is the half of the diameter. So radius will be 5 centimeter here. And one more thing you can see here, pi value we will apply 22 upon 7, because the value of pi is not given in this question. R is 5 and 2 fives are again it will be 10. It is 110 upon 7 and 2 fives are it is 10. So 180 upon 7, or if we convert this into whole, then answer is 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35, and then 5 upon 7. So 25 whole 5 upon 7 centimeter. Now this is question number 8. Find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meter if the rate of polishing it is rupees 15 per meter square. Now here we will find out the area of the circular top and then we will multiply it by the cost. Now this is question 8, diameter 1.6, so radius will be 1.6 upon 2, so it is 0.8 meter. And then we will find area of tabletop, because here we are required to find the cost of polishing it. So value of pi will be 3.14 and radius will be 0.8 and 0.8 two times. Now we will multiply this 3.14 and 0.8 multiply 0.8, then answer is 2.0096 meter square. Now cost of polishing we will find. Now here we will multiply this by 2.0096 multiply by 15, then answer is rupees 30.14. Now this is question number 9. Shahazili took a wire of length 44 centimeter and bent it into the shape of a circle and find the radius of the circle. So here length, by the length we will find the perimeter. The length of the wire is directly equal to the perimeter of the circle, and here we will find the radius, and after that we will find its area. And then the length of the wire is equal to the length of the square, perimeter of the square, and then we will find the side of the square and then find the area of the square. And after that we will got which figure encloses more area, circle or square. We will compare after finding this. Now let us find out. Now here you can see length of wire is 44 centimeter. So directly we can write circumference of circle is equal to length of wire here, and you know that the formula is 2 pi r, and length of wire it is given 44 centimeter. In place of pi we will write 22 upon 7, then 44. Now we will cut this to 22 and then 22 and 22, so radius is 7 centimeter. After finding this radius we will find the area of the circle. So area of circle formula will be pi r square. So value of pi we will apply 22 upon 7, radius 7 into 7 because 7 square. Now we will cut, this is 154 centimeter square. This is the area of the circle. Now we will find, now it is given the same wire is converted into the shape of a square. So perimeter of a square is equal to the length of wire. This is the length of the wire is 44, and formula of perimeter of a square 4 into side. So here we will get the side 44 upon 4. Now it is 11 centimeter is the side of the square. Now we will find the area of the square. Area of square, this is side into side. Now side is 11, so it is 121 centimeter square. Now question is that which figure encloses more area? So here directly we will write circle because it encloses 154 centimeter square. So we will write circle encloses more area. Now this is question number 10. From a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter, two circles of radius 3.5 centimeter and a rectangle of length 3 centimeter and breadth 1 centimeter is removed. Now here find the area of the remaining sheet. So first of all we will find out one by one area of both circles and then rectangle, and after that we will subtract this area of small circles and rectangle from the big circle, and then we will find the area of the remaining sheet. Now let us find out. Now in this question we will find out the area of the remaining sheet first. So first of all we will find the area of big circle. It is pi r square. Value of pi will be 22 upon 7. Radius is 14 into 14. So it is 616 centimeter square. Now we will find the area of one small circle. Now it is also same formula pi r square, but radius is not same, it is 3.5 into 3.5. Now 3.5 2s are, it is 7, this 2 22 11. Now 3.5 into 11, this is 38.5 centimeter square. Now we will find area of, because here two small circles, so now area of two small circles. This is 2 into 38.5, this is 77 centimeter square. Now we will find area of one rectangle, that is given. Now area of rectangle, then L into B, length is given 3, breadth is given 1, so it is 3 centimeter square. Now here we will find area of remaining sheet. Now we will subtract from whole. Whole is 154, whole is 116 minus 77 plus 3. Now this is 80